Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. So right now I'm just chilling in some sweatpants. It's like almost 6 o'clock and I've just been working from home today, so I haven't gotten out of my pajamas or anything. Jaren and I are about to go on a little date night, so I'm going to get ready a little bit, take a shower, change all of that. We also have to get COVID tested because we have something that requires a COVID test coming up. So yeah, I will update you guys later. Jaren's putting away the last load of laundry. He just got home and I'm gonna get ready for date night.
Date night.
Alright guys, so I just got ready. This is the outfit I'm wearing and I'm gonna wear some docs with it. Yeah, I'll update you guys later when we get to where we're going. I thought we were just gonna have to, you know, test ourselves, because that's, anytime I've gotten a test, that's just how it is. But this time they had someone come and they like shoved it up our nose.
They shoved it up themselves. It
was so deep inside my nose, I literally was like, this does not feel right.
This is very violating.
Date night time now.
Now it's time for date night, even though we're gonna be 10 minutes late to our reservation.
So we just had yummy dinner date night. We both got jackfruit tamales and they were so yummy, and now we're going to Press Juicery to get some ice cream. And Jaren's parents are in town, so they just got into LAX and then we'll probably meet them at our house later. So we just came to Press to get soft serve, but then right next to the Press is an Afters, so Jaren's inside Afters getting real ice cream. But yeah, here's my little soft serve. I got vanilla and chocolate swirl, and then I got strawberries and blueberries and this like cookie crumble, and it's all vegan, and I was gonna say dairy free, but dairy free is vegan. Very good. But yeah, we just finished our little date night at Gracias Madre. I used to really love that place. I don't go that much anymore, but Jaren's never been, so we went there today. Everything's vegan there too, and we got the jackfruit tamales and they were so good. Yeah, now we're having ice cream. I saw there was a Press like 0.2 miles away and I was like, I need this in my life today. Jaren just sent me this picture because I just started therapy this week. Here he comes. What did you get?
Santa's sugar cookie.
Ooh.
You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll try a little bit.
You went at that with your teeth.
Yeah.
Like an animal.
That's very yummy. I don't think you're gonna like mine, so I'm not gonna give you any.
What? I want to try it. Just the ice cream bit.
You don't like it.
Do you like it? It does taste very healthy.
Because all it is like fruits and dates and nuts, I think. How would you rate Gracias Madre?
Gracias Madre? Out of 10? Probably like an 8. It was really good. But the wait staff was a little pushy.
Yeah, they kept wanting us to get like drinks or like
chips and guac.
Or like
we got asked about multiple times. And then when we said no to dessert, she was like, alright, but hot tea? Like, oh, no.
Yeah. It's very yummy. And Jaren's parents just got into town, so we're gonna probably see them tonight. I think they're getting their rental car and stuff right now. So we'll update you later. I've just seen a UFO right now.
UFO spotting.
We don't know what that is in the sky. Do you know what that is? Okay, that is really weird.
Babe, that's a UFO.
No, it's a plane. I can see it now. I can see it.
It's not a plane.
No, it is. I saw it.
It's not a plane.
I'm drinking my lychee peachy tea that my husband made me. This is literally the best tea. I love it. So good. But yeah, I just got off a call with my school. I used to go to college and then I haven't for like a year and a half, and now I'm going back online for marketing. So I had a little call with my school because school starts this Monday. That's fun. But last night, Jaren's parents got in. We met up with them and just like hung out with them at our house for like a little bit. This weekend we have a lot of film things going on. If you didn't know, I used to go to film school. My husband's still going to film school. One of our close friends directed and wrote a short film. Jaren's been helping her work on it, and there's a premiere of it tonight, and he's also emceeing it. We're getting dressed up all fancy and gonna go support Jaren, support my friends, and the other people I know who worked on it. And tomorrow we're seeing Licorice Pizza because we've been really wanting to see it, and there's an early release in LA. Then we're seeing another short film that someone else from our school is making. They're doing another premiere of it the next day. So yeah, that's kind of what our weekend looks like. Lots of film things going on. But yeah, I'm about to go get ready right now because I'm gonna go get coffee with Jaren's mom. Also, isn't this mug so cute? I got it from Summer School Shop. You guys should check it out. But I'll talk to you guys later. you excited to see the movie?
Very excited.
We just got Phil's. Gonna be a good day. Hey guys, it's been a little bit since my last update, so I just wanted to put this in here so it's like less confusing. But we had a lot of fun spending time with Jaren's family this weekend. We went to 2 short film premieres and then we saw Licorice Pizza, and it was so fun. It's been a couple days, so I just wanted to update you before this next clip starts. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. Good morning guys. Today I'm making some pancakes because our fridge broke. It broke a couple days ago, and so that's one of the few things we have that we can make today, because vegan pancakes don't require eggs and milk and all of that. So hi. And we're watching church online right now, so yeah. And Jaren's trying to fix our heater. Hey guys, so it's been a little bit later. We just finished watching church like about an hour ago. We normally go to church, but we have kind of been holding off because like around here there's been some COVID cases and stuff, and we're supposed to leave for Hawaii in a couple days, so we just want to be extra careful, so we just watched online. Jaren's taking a nap, so I'm talking a little bit quieter. But right now I'm about to go hang out with my friend Katie. We're going to Long Beach if you're from California. But yeah, we wanted to go to some shops in that area. I think she has a coffee shop that she's gonna take me to, so yeah, I'm really excited. But yeah, I'll update you guys later when I'm with Katie.
I feel like you vlog so much, but then you don't like put it all together in a video.
Hey guys, so I'm back home from hanging out with Katie. It was super fun, and I just made pad thai for dinner for Jaren and I. It was really good. I didn't vlog that, but now I'm going to be unboxing some packages because there's some packages for me and then there's other things I need to wrap, but I also just found out that we have like a tiny bit of wrapping paper left. So I'm going to unbox things, show them to you guys, and then wrap the presents that I can wrap right now. A lot of this stuff is from Black Friday and it's just been like sitting behind my couch and I just haven't opened it yet. First, I have this package from Babe Lash. I've never tried any of their products before, but someone I follow posted about them and they were having like a really good sale on Black Friday, and I just need more mascara because I've had mine forever and it's really drying out. But this is just the Babe Lash Voluminizing Mascara. I love their packaging. It's just like matte black. Here's the brush. Next, from Amazon. This is something that I got for Jaren. I'm not going to say it out loud because he's in the other room and I don't want him to hear it. They're like little devotionals. But yeah, I don't want to give away any of his presents because he's already found out 2 of them, because one came unpackaged and the other one he just asked for. This is also from Amazon. I just realized that it's open, so I really hope that Jaren didn't open that. I hope that it's okay. This is another thing that I just know that he's wanted for a little bit. Couldn't tell you much about it. I just know that he wants it, so just a fun little book. Next, I pre-opened this big box from Amazon, but I'll show you what's in it. I got some little string lights because I wanted to decorate for Christmas. We're only here for a couple more days, but I'll try to put these up tonight so we can enjoy them for a little bit. They're so cute. Next, from Amazon, are our Christmas PJs. Jaren's whole family does like matching PJs, and so we get like a surprise pair of PJs. I was really wanting to also get some more, but all the ones that I saw that were like fun Christmassy prints were just like so expensive and I knew I wouldn't wear them. So, are you ready for my minimalist pajamas? We're going to a little cabin in January to actually celebrate Christmas together because we wanted to be somewhere like super cold, just us 2 to like open our presents. Jaren's texting me from the other room. So I literally just got us super oversized sweatshirt and sweatpants. They're just like cream and we can wear them that weekend. But I'm gonna try these on so I know that if I need to return them. Alright guys, so these are the super minimalist Christmas PJs that we can literally wear all year round. There's really not too much special about them, but I just love comfy sweatsuits, so I was like, I just want to get simple ones for Christmas. Also, funny story, I told my sister that I was just going to end up getting a cream sweatsuit for both of us instead of like actual Christmas PJs, and she's told me that she did the exact same thing with her and her daughter because she was just like, seems so comfy and I'll wear them all the time. So yeah, we can all match one day. We'll see. Okay, I don't really feel like changing out of these right now, so I'm just gonna wear them for the rest of this part of the video. But yeah, then I just got Jaren the same ones. Next package. Yay! Got this magazine. My friend is the creator of this magazine company. It's called Space on Space. You guys should go check it out. It's their second issue of their magazine, so I'm really excited to read through it. Here's some little tiny previews, but it's a really cool magazine. You guys should go check it out. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, so the next thing that I got are two new We're Not Really Strangers games. I got the couples edition and the family edition. If you're my friend, you know that I make everyone play We're Not Really Strangers when they're at my house. So I thought it would be fun to get the couples one for Jaren and I, and then the family one maybe for our vacation with our families, if I can fit it in my suitcase. But they just have a bunch of like really fun questions that you guys get to answer. Definitely recommend. I'm so excited. The next thing I got is from Bimby and Roy. This is an Australian brand and I am obsessed with them. Basically they make like swimsuits slash underwear that works like either way. But this like black set is my most worn like swimsuit slash underwear set. But I thought getting more of these would be great for Hawaii, so I literally just got 3 of just like the black set. It's pretty much like the only swimsuit that I consistently ever wear. And I actually damaged my last one because I left it out in like 105 or 110 degree weather in Palm Springs, so the material got all weird, but they lasted for like a good 2 years, I think. But yeah, I just love the simple black one. I have other prints, but the black one is definitely my favorite. So I got a bunch of those. Next I have some socks from Madewell. I already put on these ones. Very cute and checkered. And then there's this pair. Speckled and it has a little bit of blue. This is like one of my favorite colors ever. So next we have a Girlfriend Collective package. I love Girlfriend Collective. I used to have a cream set from there and then I accidentally washed it with something that bled. The bottoms are ruined, but I do wear the top all the time still. But this cutie set was on sale and I just had to do it. It's just a lavender super cute sweatpants set. If you have no idea how excited I am to put this on. Clearly I love a good sweatsuit. This color is everything to me. Let's do a little try on part. I need to take the tags off, but I am seriously obsessed with these. They're seriously so comfy and they're also made out of recycled materials, which is pretty cool. Also Jaren's mom made us the cutest stockings. I don't know if I already showed these, but I hung them on the mirror because I don't have actual like stocking holders right now, but I think it's so cute. And last little unboxing part for now, I got these mugs from Jaren's mom. I actually don't know when she sent these to us because they were on our wedding registry. So I don't know if she bought them then and then they just took like months to deliver, but they're literally so cute. And I think there are 4 of them, so that was super sweet of her. Joy, if you're watching, thank you. But yeah, those are most of the things that I got to unbox. I'm gonna wrap a couple presents, I'll show you guys. But I'm gonna switch to that side over there because there's like a flatter place to wrap. Alright, so I wrapped these presents over here, the ones up here, down here, those ones, and I just recharged my battery. Jaren is trying on his Christmas PJs. Cute! Are they comfy?
They're very comfy. Cold though, that thin.
You're so cold?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I have a little surprise for you.
What is it?
It's in our room. I set up this cute little surprise for Jaren. I'm gonna show him now. Close your eyes.
Why am I closing my eyes?
Okay, so go closer to the bed. Keep your eyes closed, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. You can open them.
Oh, that's so fun.
You like that?
Yeah.
Little Christmas lights for us. Wait, and look.
So fun.
Look what else it can do. It can change like that. Let's just keep it on that. But do you like it? Now it can feel like Christmas in our room.
Mm-hmm.
Cute.
So fun.
Hey guys, so it's been a few days and now we are getting ready to pack up for Hawaii today. We're going to Panera. We're going to Panera right now and we're running a bunch of errands. We'll bring you along. This will be the last day of this weekly vlog. Yay! Hawaii! Right now, we just got to Panera. We're gonna go get some yummy soup or what are you getting?
The mac and grilled cheese sandwich.
Yeah, we just need some warm food because our house is 50 degrees because our heater is broken.
Yep.
So, that's what we're doing today. We're feasting. Taking a little stop to see our friend's gallery. So we just got back home. Sorry, it's a little bit messy in the background. We vlogged a little bit of what we did. One other thing we did was we went looking for our last 2 Christmas gifts for people. Picked up these cute little gifts. This is for Jaren's cousin and then her daughter. It's like a little stacking set in all these pretty colors. Now it's finally time to pack. We have some more laundry to do. We leave tomorrow around 7 a.m. It's about almost 3 o'clock right now. I'm gonna get some laundry going and start actually packing my suitcase. This is our dinner for tonight. We're just having tacos. It's just pinto beans, corn, and rice with some Trader Joe's spice, like taco seasoning.
Taco time.
Hey guys, right now I'm in Target. Jaren dropped me off here because I needed to pick up some things and he has to print out some documents that we need. So yeah, it's like 10 something and I'm just chilling in Target. I feel like this is a very dangerous place for Jaren to leave me because I literally keep finding things that I want and I'm like, should I get them or should I not? I don't really know. Especially decorative pillows right now. I've just been wanting some and this is so cute, but you also can't remove the case, so I don't know if that's a good idea. I also keep eyeing this pillow. This one is so cute. I also am obsessed with this lamp and I really thought I was gonna get it, but then I found out it was $60 and I was like, maybe not. Here's my current haul of the day. It's mostly just like travel stuff that I needed to get before Hawaii, so here's a little overview. That's the haul for today. Hey guys, so all my stuff is packed for Hawaii and then also for Seattle and Kansas City because we're going there after Hawaii. Yeah, it's like 3:30 a.m. right now. I'm so tired. But we're about to go meet my friend Rachel who's going to bring us to the airport. So this will be the end of this week's vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching. Also, thank you so much for all the encouragement on my last vlog. It literally means so much to me. I'm super tired right now, but I'm excited to talk to you guys in the next one. Let me know if you guys have any fun Christmas plans coming up, New Year's plans, whatever. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.